WorldRemit Transfer Blocked for Security. If your WorldRemit Transfer is blocked for security, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the transfer status. Log into WorldRemit and open your transfer history to see the security block. Step 2. Check for verification or security alerts. Look for any request from WorldRemit and follow the instructions. Step 3. Confirm your account information. Make sure your details match your ID exactly. Step 4. Review your payment method. Check that your card or bank account is valid and secure. Step 5. Allow security review time. Security checks can take some time to complete. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If the block remains, contact WorldRemit support for assistance. Tips: use accurate details, avoid repeated attempts, and upload clear documents. And that's it. You now know how to fix a WorldRemit transfer blocked for security.